What is this place called? Mini Monster?
Yeah, Mini Monster.
Mini Monster.
Yeah, we're getting horchata with boba in it, like a boba tea place, in the light bulb. Or glass.
We'll get a glass light bulb.
Yeah. Pretty awesome.
Pretty cool. We're in the packing house in Anaheim. And you guess what? That's the monster? Probably. He looks like a little monster.
There's so many choices here for yummy food.
There
kind
is.
of overwhelming.
We had a cheeseburger
Egg rolls.
egg rolls, yep.
Which were delicious.
They were.
They're a pretty good snack. And they were pretty reasonably priced. So it was like $3.
Like $3. That's cool. Please remember to mix your drink. Okay.
Wait,
So I guess you can.
do you just
I think that comes off,
I
yeah.
wish there was like Okay, try it. It's good? Cool.
Piece of boba stuck in it. Blow it out. Right?
This is like actually made with chocolate. Like I can taste how fresh it is. It's
Yeah.
not a mix.
That's really good.
So good. I think you need to get your own. So we're back at the Croft where we had the cheeseburger egg rolls earlier because everything looked great. And these fried chicken poutine fries are amazing. Look.